Let me show you how you can factory hard reset your smart bracelet smartwatch. So maybe if you want to pair it with another phone or simply need to restart it, basically bring it to factory settings. Okay, first, if you actually want to pair it with another phone, then what I suggest you is first go and actually uninstall the app on your old phone, because if your old phone is in range, when you actually like restart this watch, it might actually somehow connect back to the old app. So make sure you actually like literally go and uninstall that app. So it has some problems basically, so that's what I suggest you. So but yeah, if you want simply reset, basically we can click this button, basically the like over here, and simply navigate to this more option, click and hold it for like 2 seconds. Again, click, 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 and basically click and hold this reset. Okay, and it will be reset now in a short moment. Okay, simply wait it out, and you see it will also like restart, and then basically we can install the Fit Pro app on our new phone, or again install it back on your old phone. So again, I highly suggest you to uninstall this Fit Pro app, because I have some problems that basically happens if I do not do it. Anyway, good luck guys.